Arlinda Manalang, good morning. Thank you so much for coming, idol. Well, right. I will print your John Les Wong channel. Please connect to our friend Arlinda Manalang, one of our friend here in Philippines. Right, please connect. So, happy Halloween, idol. Arlinda Manalang. Thank you so much for coming our live. And of course, connect to Sir Dennis B. Oh yeah, thank you so much. No name guy. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. No name guy. Right. We have only 6 person today work for auditing because BIR needs the audit of company. So thank you everyone, and please stay safe our Halloween today, because this day the many people bad here in the street to snatch our properties. So take care. Your bag is always in your front. Alright. Ingat idol Arlinda Manalang. Laging tandaan ang mga mahalagang bagay natin dala-dala sa pagpunta sa sementeryo o sa paglalakad, laging nasa harapan para iwas dukot. Oo, may audit sila ngayon eh. Kailangan ng BIR. Kaya ngayon tsaka bukas mag-audit sila. Kailangan ng BIR, kung hindi penalty. I-penalty. Kaya kailangan trabahuin talaga nila ng paspasan ngayon. Kasi malapit na silang maabutan na deadline. Kaya kailangan nila audit. Alam mo ba naman yung BIR? Magpataw yan, laki-laki. Pupunta lang sa mga gobyernong kurakot na magnanakaw na gobyerno na walang nagawa. Hindi bantayan yung kaban ng bayan. Anim lang naman ngayon yung papasok. Kasi may audit.